Unlock the secret to irresistible medical spa ads that look and feel like genuine recommendations, all thanks to the power of AI. In today's competitive landscape, authentic user-generated content is king. But what if your spa is just starting out or needs to scale? Social proof. We're diving deep into how AI can authentically craft compelling UGC ads for your medical spa. Our first step is generating hyperrealistic testimonials. We use AI to craft nuanced, believable stories from the perspectives of satisfied clients. Think about common procedures your spa offers: laser hair removal, Botox, filler. We prompt the AI with key benefits like smoother skin, restored youthfulness, or boosted confidence from a specific treatment. The AI then generates varied testimonial styles, short and punchy for stories, or more detailed for carousel ads. It's crucial to refine these, ensuring they align with your spa's brand voice and customer experience. We aim for genuine emotion and tangible results. Next, we create captivating before and after visuals at speak volumes. This is where AI truly shines in transforming concepts into reality. We provide the AI with detailed descriptions of ideal outcomes for treatments like facial rejuvenation or body contouring. We focus on natural-looking improvements, emphasizing the transformative power of your services. The AI can generate high-quality, studio-like images without the need for actual photo shoots, ensuring consistency and polish. We then assemble these AI-generated assets into compelling ad creatives. Think short video clips with overlaid testimonials, or carousels showcasing multiple success stories and visual transformations. These ads are designed to be visually appealing and emotionally resonant, driving genuine interest and, ultimately, more bookings for your medical spa. By leveraging AI for UGC, you can create a powerful marketing engine that builds trust and attracts a steady stream of new clients. It's a game changer for medical spa growth.